My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. We are doing important questions for 11th class mathematics students. I have already done formula videos also. If you attend all the formula videos daily, it will be by hearted automatically. Now, the question is, show that tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equal tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. This is the question, one of the important question. We know 3x equal 2x plus x. That we know. Therefore, tan 3x equal tan 3x equal tan 2x plus x. Tan 2x plus x. That is in the form of tan a plus b. We know tan a plus b equal tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Therefore, this is equal to tan 3x equal tan a plus tan b, that is tan 2x plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, that is tan 2x tan x. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Next step is tan 3x equal tan 2x plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Bring 1 minus tan 2x tan x into the left hand side. Therefore, this is equal to tan 3x into 1 minus tan 2x tan x equal tan 2x plus tan x. Clear? Then expand the bracket in the left hand side, that is multiply 1 and minus tan 2x tan x by tan 3x. Therefore, this is equal to 1 into tan 3x, that is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x tan x into tan 3x, that will be equal to tan x tan 2x tan 3x equal tan 2x plus tan x. Clear? Then bring tan 2x plus tan x to the left hand side. Tan 2x plus tan x to the left hand side. So, this will be equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x, that is equal to, bring minus tan x tan 2x tan 3x to the right hand side, that is equal to tan x tan 2x tan 3x. Hence, left hand side equal right hand side. Clear? Hence the answer. If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Clear? Next question is prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x whole divided by cos 5x minus cos x equal tan x. That is, we know sin C plus sin D equal 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. We know that formula. So sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x we can write as sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sin 3x whole divided by cos 5x minus cos x, that is equal to sin 5x plus sin x is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Therefore, sin 5x plus sin x will be 2 sin 5x plus x divided by 2, that is 6x by 2, that is 3x cos c minus d by 2, that is cos 5x minus x, that is cos 4x divided by 2, that is cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x whole divided by cos 5x minus cos x. Clear? We know the formula sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, in the denominator, cos 5x minus cos x. Cos 5x minus cos x is in the form of cos d minus cos c because d is greater than c. So this will be equal to cos d minus cos c equal minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Therefore, this is equal to 2 sin 3x cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x whole divided by minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is sin 5x plus x divided by 2, that is equal to sin 6x by 2, that is sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x into sin c minus d by 2, that is c minus d by 2, that will be equal to cos 5x minus x divided by 2, that is sin 4x divided by 2, that is equal to sin 2x, that is equal to 2 sin 3x cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x divided by minus 2 sin 3x sin 2x. Take 2 sin 3x outside from the numerator, 2 sin 3x. 2 sin 3x into cos 2x minus 1 whole divided by minus 2 sin 3x sin 2x. See, 2 sin 3x and 2 sin 3x from the denominator can cancel. So this is equal to cos 2x minus 1 cos 2x minus 1 whole divided by minus sin 2x, that is equal to cos 2x minus 1, take minus outside, Therefore, this is equal to minus of 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by sin 2x. That is equal to minus and minus cancel. We know 1 minus cos 2x equal 2 sin square x whole divided by sin 2x will be 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. So this will be equal to 2 sin x cos x. 1 2 sin x and 2 sin x can cancel. So this will be equal to sin x by cos x, that is equal to tan x. Hence the answer. If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Okay? Wish you all the best. Thank you.